Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our next poem. Name of the poem is Teacher's Pest. Here in this poem, the poet explains teacher as a human being having lots of emotion. A teachers also can get afraid of even little insects and things. Uh, it's a really very interesting one. If you will read the whole poem, you will enjoy it a lot. So let's start reading and let's explain it. It was a, it was another day at school, and teacher smiled with sweet concern. It was another day. In normally in next day when the students were attending the class, teacher entered with a good and sweet smile. She turned to mathematics and encouraged us to learn. Then what did the teacher do? Teacher turned the mathematics book, turned or opened the mathematics book and started teaching us. And then what happened? I sat in silence, gloomy, twiddling both my thumbs. I sat in silence, gloomy. Many of the students actually don't like mathematics classes. So the poet also among them, one of them. So poet was a bit nervous and was twiddling both my thumbs. As you can see in the picture, twiddling is an action of turning up and down the thumb. Okay, अंगूठा से ऊपर नीचे करते हुए खेलना, जैसे कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हो. Clear? So, I sat in silence, gloomily twiddling both my thumbs. I tried my best to concentrate on multiplication sums. So the poet was attending the class and trying to concentrate whatever the teacher or madam tries to explain to the students. On that day, it was hopefully multiplication was going on in that class or explanation. Teacher sat down in her chair, spectacles balanced on her nose. Then teacher sat down in the front table and her chair. Spectacles balanced on her nose. Spectacles means specs, as you can see here. Spectacles balanced on her nose. When suddenly she gasped aloud and like a statue froze. Suddenly she gasped aloud. When we get shocked, suddenly a certain kind of loud noise comes out of our mouth. So that is called gasped. Suddenly teacher gasped aloud and she turned into a statue. Means he sat there like a statue, like the teacher had frozen. A spider. Why did the teacher got frozen or turned into statue? A spider, as you can see here. A spider had descended from its home up on the ceiling. On the ceiling, the spider hopefully made its home over there, and suddenly from that home, that spider came down, hanging just in front of the madam or mistress. Teacher sat there transfixed, quite afraid with feeling. As the teacher saw that spider in front of her, she sat there transfixed. Transfixed means too much frightened, too much afraid, quite afraid with feeling. And here also the word afraid, it is an old term of English, old word, which means also got frightened. Okay, so the teacher got frightened and turned into statue and was completely frozen and quiet. Her face turned into a pure white mask. Here the word pure, this phrase, pure white mask, it represents that teacher was so much frightened that she turned pale. Okay, she turned dull. Her eyes were glazed with fear. She looked carefully and in a fixed way at the spider and was very much frightened or afraid. And as the spider peered at her, one thing was very clear. And then what did the spider do? This spider here peered. What the word peered means to look fixedly at something or someone. So the spider then looked at the teacher. And when the spider looked at the teacher, the student got something very clear. And what was it? Teachers are also human. They have fears like you and me. Then, as per the teacher's reaction, it was very clear to the student that teachers are not some superhuman beings. They are also very normal and common human. They also have got fear. They get afraid. So the teachers are also human. They have fears like you and me. That's what I learned in school today. The poet says this thing. Sometimes we regard teachers, or we think teachers that they are more than human being. They don't have fear. They have fixed strength, determined, and iron still character. Okay, but when the teacher got that reaction or showed that reaction towards that insect, means a spider, it was very clear to the student that teachers can also get afraid of even a very little insect. So that's what I learned in the school today, and my heart is filled with glee. Here, glee, G-L-E, glee means joy or happiness. And after watching that reaction, after watching that incident, I was very much happy and my heart filled with happiness and joy. So, this is the poem. Hopefully, you enjoyed it very much. And now, what you have to do, listen once again to the whole explanation and then read the poem at least twice to prepare yourself for making or uh, completing the exercises related to it. Thanks, beta.